Instagram stories are hot. So today I'm going to show you how to create your own beautiful and unique Instagram story templates using my favourite design tool, Canva. You can use these templates over and over again for as long as you like. To help you get started, I've created 10 free templates for you to download, which you can then edit and customize in Canva to suit your own brand style. But just quickly before we get started, let me just share with you the results of a poll I carried out on Instagram stories at the end of last week. The results are pretty amazing. I asked my followers to choose which they preferred, Instagram posts or Instagram stories. And just look at the results. So if you're not already using stories for your brand on Instagram, you really need to get started. So let's dive into the details. Start off by opening Canva on your desktop. We need to create a template with the following dimensions. Now watch as I walk you through the process of creating an Instagram story template. Upload the story template you've just created by tapping on the camera icon in the top left-hand corner and locating your file. just pinch the screen to adjust the size of the story. Now edit your story in the usual way. That is really all there is to it. It's so simple and it's free, so you can create as many templates as you want, and you can use them for as long as you want. I created these templates in Canva version 2, which is being launched next week. Let me tell you, it's very exciting. I've been trialing it for the past few months. To download your 10 free templates, I've left the link in the caption section below, or type this URL into your browser. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please just take a moment to give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next tutorial.